Bafowethu, what you don't know is bigger than you. Namhlanje ke ngifuna ukuthi well done Commissioner Madlanga, Judge Madlanga, well done today. Namhlanje lapha kuMadlanga Commission bekukhona abameli bakaSulman usomabhizinisi omkhulu lwangapha eNorthwest. Bezozama ukuthi befaka isicelo sokuthi abafuni azotestifya live lapha kuMadlanga, bafuna atestify kwi-screen yabo, shuthi naye ufuna ukutestifya engekho lapha atestify njengalabo witness ebebebuzwa bengekho ngenxa yokuthi yokuphepha kwayo noma ngokuvikelwa kwabo. Hayi ngithi ke wedani bakuMadlanga, I salute you ngoba laba meli they've tried by all means ukuthi bengahloniphi. Ngiqale ngenza ivideo yami ngikhala ukungahloniphi kwawo, kodwa isicelo sabo ngijabulile mawusuthi hayi ke isicelo senu just decline, and Monday ngizobe senginikeza ukuthi kungani ngisirefusile isicelo senu. Sifuna uSulman uKarim Sulman eze la live ezotestify la esikhona. Iyangixaka lento bebeyicela ngoba bethi akaphephile kunama thread enziwayo angena ngama WhatsApp and whatever it is, and uyabona bathi witness abaningi babulawo witness and stuff like that. Okay, witness lo wabulawo ba witness deal wabulawo wayefike lapha, wayengafikile lapha na wayengekho, but still wabulawa engafikanga lapha yabo. So ke that is not a case. Kodwa they need to take full accountability here ukuthi bafika last month baqala bafuna ukuthi beyinkantolo beapplyele ukuthi abafuna iclient labo testify kuMadlanga, bezama ukuyigwema lento, bahluleka enkantolo athi inkantolo no, kufuneka uye lapha kuMadlanga uyotestify. Bahamba baya kuMadlanga bazofaka isicelo sokuthi kupostpone kwagcina kupostponile ngempela umhla ka-15 kuyona inyanga lesikuyona uMarch, which means that will be next week. Namhlanje sebeyafika ke sebefika nokusho ukuthi abafuni iclient labo ukuthi litestify live lapha kuMadlanga. Wathi uJudge Madlanga, no ways, we can argue and argue and argue ishile ngempela wemadoda. Unenkani lo yammeli, unenkani lo yammeli, kodwa hlulekile. Wathi uJudge uMadlanga, I refuse to accept your request, and Monday I would send you isizathu sokuthi why I refuse, and then let's adjourn. So uzofika ke uKarim simdinga efikile ezo testify engalokho ezama ukuthi ethatha ama-chance. This is not a lot, asithatha ama-million la. Simfuna asimfuni kwi-screen, simfuna live ezotestify njengaba bonke abantu abafikile bazotestify aba-powerful than yena. Thank you, Judge Madlanga.